1 year. 1 year transforming into one Mativ. Working alongside the best people in the business on our journey to create the leading specialty materials company in the world. Coming together from different parts of the business and from different parts of the world to find new ways, better ways to deliver for our customers and each other. 1 year making Mativ matter. Naming our new company, forming our identity, creating our values, building our teams, and launching our North Star. 1 year of taking smart risks, learning from our mistakes, and celebrating our wins. What we've achieved together in 1 year is nothing short of amazing. We've had highs and lows, and we've leaned in and kept moving forward. Now it's time to lock arms and focus on our future, to lean into growth, focus our efforts, and drive value creation. I know this is the team that can make it happen. A heartfelt thank you to everyone who has worked so hard during the past year. And cheers to the path ahead. We are Mativ.